2, that's 3.
Ah!
Harry almost got an absolute face full of them. Andy, contact, one more.
Default.
I'll be a... I must admit, mate, hats off to you, that was well played.
Shot! Hit! You bastard! What a check there. Not it, mate! Yeah. No, another, mate.
Go. Fuck it. I'll go last.
Yeah, this is suicidal.
Hit!
I already pulled the pin by the time he put his in. My fucking pin out.
Hey, Fabio! D3, pushing in the door. And X! Oh! You know what, if there's more distance, if there's less distance to that, that'd have been a very painful cock shot. Bastard.
I sent the massive